Hi, I'm going to show you how you can instantly index your URLs. You are building backlinks, you are building so many pages, but your pages are not getting indexed. Sometimes when you search on Google Search Console, it says discovered but not indexed. So I'm going to show you how you can easily submit all your URLs and backlinks for instant indexing. First of all, the website is optilinkai.com. So here inside the campaign controls, we go to instant indexing. You click on instant indexing and then you log in with your access code. So once you are inside, all you have to do is just go to the server update, click on access update server, fill in your name. Let's say my name is Abdul, and here I put my key, and then I can submit all my URLs. Let me copy from OptiLink AI. I can submit them 1, 2, 3. So you can just paste them, paste all your URLs and click submit to AI server. This is going to update the server before you start running your instant indexing. So once the server is updated, all you have to do is come to the crawler control. So inside the crawler tool, what you have to do is go here and update your URLs. I'm going to update my URLs. And here select AI and search bot to dispatch. So I'm going to activate Google bot is activated. I'm going to activate ChatGPT bot. So it's going to be activated, and I'm going to activate cloud. Cloud is also activated. So the next thing I'm going to do is run validation, and validation is activated. The system has identify 7 duplicate URLs, which is automatically removed. And now the score is 90%. And I don't have to do anything. The next thing I have to do is click on dispatch crawlers. Now crawlers are being dispatched. Now it's going to discover all my URLs. Let the crawlers crawl all my URLs and instantly index all the URLs. It doesn't take so long. It's all normally this is instantly. It happens instant. And if it doesn't happen instantly, then it takes few weeks. It takes few hours. And then all your URLs is going to be indexed and it's going to be shown inside the SEP. And this will help you to also show in ChatGPT, Google AI Overview, Perplexity, Cloud, and all the AI engines. So you can check it out, optilinkai.com, and go to indexing, submit all your URLs for indexing, and all your URLs will be automatically indexed. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.